Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hard shell tacos with corn tortillas, updated. Heat oil to 350 degrees F and fry each tortilla 30 to 45 seconds per side until crisp. Drain on paper towels, season lightly with salt, and shape into shells while warm. Use warm fillings like seasoned beef, shredded lettuce, and tortilla to maintain crunch. I'll guide timing, safety tips, and quick variations for tasty results. Choose fillings that contrast with the crunchy shell to keep every bite balanced and exciting. Brown your protein, then toss it with spices and a splash of lime to brighten flavors. Add textures like shredded cabbage, diced onion, and creamy avocado or cottage cheese for variety. Assemble shells just before serving to preserve crispness. I'll also offer vegetarian swaps and quick prep tips to speed up dinner time. If you are enjoying the tips so far, please subscribe and like if this video is helpful. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. I use leak-proof containers that make storing fillings and toppings a breeze, perfect for taco night meal prep and leftovers. Check the description for the product link and other deals we mentioned in the video. And thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Proper tortilla handling makes or breaks hard shell tacos, so treat them gently and warm them slightly before frying to avoid cracks. Fry in small batches and use a slotted spoon or tongs to flip and shape each shell safely. Drain on paper towels and season while still hot to help the salt stick. I'll share storage tips, reheat tricks, and ways to keep shells crispy without extra effort.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.